Chevra, established in Los Angeles in 1986, Fish Grill is now here in Brooklyn, 1267 Coney Island Avenue, Corner Avenue, Isaac. This place is an American dream. They're known for the best fish out there, but I want to point out an important thing. Tarnipel hechsher, Chevra. A lot of people told me, Chaim, when you go to a restaurant, please put the hechsher out there. So that's what I'm going to start doing. And if we go to a restaurant, hechsher. Tarnipel hechsher, and Kehila Kashrus, special Svardi and all that. Let's check in. You must check into the Fish and Grill. Awesome location here in Flatbush. This place is magnificent, gorgeous, brand new. Ellie!
Hi, how are you?
Manish Maeli, how you doing?
Oh, Hashem.
I say over here it's 9 days all year.
Oh, Hashem.
But you don't have, like a lot of people say 9 days, it's hard, kind of. You guys topped it off all year round with the power of a milk menu.
Hashem.
So you guys, this is your hit.
This is not from today. This is from 1986 from LA.
You guys started in 1986 in LA.
That is correct.
Los Angeles.
That is correct. The Klein family did it right.
They did it right. All right, so let's jump into it because I did a video with you guys in American Dream Mall. You guys are rocking out over there. And now let's bring it to the followers here in Brooklyn. Let them know about this place. This place is second to none. What are we making over here?
I'm making a bronzino, which is one of our more popular catch of the days. And I'm also going to be making for you a beautiful piece of salmon.
Look at that, Chevra. Look at that salmon.
Everything is filleted fresh in the morning and throughout the day. Our barbecue, our grill is a charcoal grill. We don't use anything but pure charcoal on the grill.
Nice. So under here is charcoal. The real deal. I want to tell you a funny story. I don't know if he lets me say it, but I'm going to say it anyway. I was in Guadalajara by my good friend, Edel Goldberger, and I see he's sitting in the back and eating out of a fish grill bag a branzini. And I'm like, Edel, what are you doing? You have a restaurant here, Guadalajara. You have your steaks, yep. He's like, listen to me. When I'm in the with a fish, it's fish grill. I'm like, wow. He's like, and Fish Grill knows as well that when they need a steak, they come to me.
That is correct.
When I need a good fish, I come to Fish Grill. So let's go for it. The guy's making some good steaks, some good fish steaks. So you have the state-of-the-art kitchen over here, state-of-the-art grill. Putting on some, what is that, squash?
Grilled zucchini.
Grilled zucchini. Oof. I want to show you how geschmack this grill is. You have the real charcoal over here, the real deal. Look at that, guys.
Papa.
Wow. Like Momo says, I wish people could smell the smell that we're smelling now. Because this is delicious.
This is a special zucchini brush mix that we make.
Oh, wow.
It is something exclusive to Fish Grill.
Special recipe?
Yes. All of our dressings are all made here. We don't buy anything. We make everything. This is our teriyaki sauce that we use for our ahi tuna. Everything that we do is fresh. We don't buy anything.
Wow, everything in-house.
That is the Fish Grill way.
What is the most favorite dish here at Fish Grill?
The most favorite dish at Fish Grill is really the salmon and the fish and chips. So those are our number one hitters.
Wow.
Baruch Hashem.
Baruch Hashem.
Our poke station is also an amazing.
A poke station. For those who don't know yet what poke is, what's poke for those followers who don't know yet what it is?
So basically what a poke is you have a choice. We give you a bowl and you choose white rice, brown rice, or lettuce. You can mix it up.
So you have in-house rice there? You have your rice over here?
Yes, I'm going to do it right now for you.
All right, guys, let's check this out.
Let's do this.
Let's do this, a poke bowl.
So we're going to take white rice. I'm going to give you fresh white rice, made every day, kept hot.
Sticky rice, the good, yeah?
Yes, only the best.
Wow, I'm going to give you a shout out. I love the rustic vibe of the store. It's such a vibe, Kevra. A real vibey place. Let's get back to the poke bowl. Got some cucumbers.
Some mangoes.
Some mangoes. Oh, wow, so it's fruit and vegetables over here.
It's the best.
Got some corn, some roasted sweet potatoes, some carrots, lima beans. Oh wow, so it's like a mix of everything.
Now take a look at this. This is our fresh tuna. Where do you get tuna this color?
Oh my god, that's tuna?
That's fresh tuna that's caught probably 25 minutes ago.
That's insane. Can we get back a fresh tuna? Wow. Oh wow.
And this is not something that I do special for you. This is for all of our customers.
Crazy. Look at that. That is the poke bowl that we're talking about, guys. So if you haven't seen the poke bowl, this is it.
This is a poke bowl.
Poke bowl of Fish Grill.
We do it raw, we do it cooked. You have many different options. We have sauces. It comes with sweet sauce, spicy mayo.
Nice. Look at that, guys. You have the fruit, you have the vegetables, you have the fish, all in one bowl with the sauce on top. Woof!
Spicy mayo and our sweet sauce, we make it here.
You make it in-house, you don't buy it out.
Here. We buy everything, we do everything here.
Look at that.
And this is what a poke bowl looks like.
L'chaim, l'chaim.
Let me show you some of our other items that are very popular. I'm gonna bring it right now for you.
Guys, look at the wall. Fish Grill, established in 1986, Los Angeles. The freshest, simply the freshest. I love the vibe, rustic, cool vibe. And guys, it's legit about 5 minutes from Borough Park on Avenue I and Coney Island Avenue, right at the tip of Borough Park by Flatbush. Oh my goodness. Wow, grilled corn.
This is our corn ribs with our ranch dressing and our house-made popper sauce. This is our cauliflower poppers.
Cauliflower poppers.
And this is our shishito peppers.
No, it's hot.
These are unreal. You cannot walk in here, smell us cooking it, and not be required to buy one. Try it. It is amazing.
How do you say it? Shoshino?
Shishito peppers. It's delicious.
Shishito peppers. Delicious with the lemon over there.
Lemon and ranch. It's unbelievable.
Not normal. All right, back to the grill, guys. Let's see that. Oh, get back here, Kevin. Look at that. Brazzini. Gee.
Can you get anything better than that?
Can't get anything better than that.
Look at the flame. Look at the hot flame. You cannot get this on a regular grill.
Nah.
This is something specific to Fish Grill.
You have the same grill in American Dream, right?
In all locations, they're all the same. The one thing that Fish Grill does well is we do the same thing in all of our locations.
So people know your food, they know it.
Unbelievable. People come here, they tell us how the food tastes the same. It's nostalgia from LA. People love it.
That's not normal.
If you come in and take a quick look at how hot this grill is. Look at the branzino from this side right over here. You see how it's sizzling on the grill?
Oh yeah.
There's nothing else.
Oh my goodness. Guys, let me put the mic next to it. Let's hear those sizzles over there. Time. Here it goes off. Plated nice over here with the lemon on the side, with the dip.
This is our tartar sauce. It's not a dip. This is for the customers that know Fish Grill. They know that Fish Grill is known for their tartar sauce. The
That's
tartar
also
sauce,
in-house.
Everything is in-house. People love our tartar sauce. Everything that we make is done here.
And you got some rolls on the grill that you just put up?
Yes, we have an order that just came in for a sandwich.
Fish sandwich.
Yes, we do all kinds of fish sandwiches.
Really?
Yes. In this
Look at
location
that.
and in all locations, we offer Bishul Yisrael.
So Bishul Yisrael for the Sfardim who are makbids.
We have our
Coleslaw.
fresh coleslaw. This is not your typical deli coleslaw. This is not your typical takeout coleslaw. This is Fish Grill coleslaw. Very special. For those that know Fish Grill, know what I'm talking about.
Now supposedly you're huge on Uber Eats.
We are.
And people order all over from Fish Grill.
Correct.
So that means somebody's on 14th Avenue and 44th Street.
Yes.
He goes to Uber Eats.
You can get it from Uber Eats, or you can also get it from my website.
Let's hear. Which
We
one?
have fishgrill.com. You
Okay.
can see over there all of our locations. You can place your order online. We offer all the time. We have full delivery. You can also call the stores today, and we can set you up with a phone order for
Really?
those people who don't have internet, who don't have accounts online, and they want to call up the store. The stores can do delivery for you as well.
Really?
Yes.
What's the phone number? We'll get it in a minute.
We'll get it.
Get back here, Kevin. Look at this table. Look how beautiful. Wow.
And I have a surprise coming. While you eat, I'm going to prepare your next item.
Oh,
have
wow.
a seat and start, please.
Kevin, a surprise coming. Who wants to join me here? This is too much for me. No, guys. I need you to join me. Wow, look what's coming here.
And this is our famous fish and chips.
Fish and chips. What type of fish is that?
It's Atlantic pollock. It's filleted and breaded every single day,
Fresh.
fresh in the morning.
That's crazy. So that's the fish and chips that everybody talks about.
That is correct.
Wow.
We
Guys,
have a lot of other items that we didn't make today that it's going to be a surprise. You got to come in and
you
try
gotta
us
come in and
out.
try us out, Kevin. So now you're open in the 9 days, but we're open all year, not just the 9 days.
We also have a party room upstairs.
Really?
We do sheva brachos. We do corporate events. We
No
do a lot
way.
of catering events in-house and outside. We've done bar mitzvahs. We've done upsharons. And we're here. We're here to serve the community, all budgets, all simchas, anything that they need. We're here to help the communities.
Beautiful.
Come visit us.
Oh, wow. This is gorgeous.
Yes, Baruch Hashem, we have a nice sized party room up here. Customers love it. They have the privacy. They have their own entranceway that they can come in. It's nice and private. We set it up right now for extra seating for dinner service, but you have everything upstairs from a washing station.
Look at
So
that.
you can wash. You have all of your cutlery. You don't have to bring anything up. We take care of everything. You have 2 bathrooms over here, so the customers have their own privacy for their events.
Nice. There's sheva brachos in, corporate events, whatever somebody wants. And now during the whole year, when there's no event, I got phone calls a lot of times. Chaim, give me a restaurant that has private seating. I don't want to sit in the street with everybody.
We offer private seating all the time. We have companies that come here for meetings. They want to have a meeting. You don't need to come here with 20 people. We're all about accommodating the customers. So as long as the customers come in, the room is available. If you need a private meeting, we have all kind of parents come in to meet their future in-laws. They
That's
come
great.
upstairs, they sit down, they have a meal, they can talk. It's amazing.
So let's go, guys. Fish Grill, located at Coney Island Avenue, between Avenue I and Avenue J. The exact address is 1267
Coney Island
Avenue. And what's the phone number, Ellie?
718-747-8099.
Kevin, the phone number and the website to order again is?
Fishgrill.com, 718-747-8099. Feel free to go to the website, fishgrill.com. You have over there all of our locations. Follow us on Instagram if you'd like to, Fish Grill Official. We have new locations opening. We're always doing new things. There's always surprises at hand.
Thank you so much, Ellie.
Thank
and
you.
Have a great